Have you ever wondered why your super powerful brand new laptop sometimes just chugs? Well, the secret is usually hidden in how it's handling its graphics. Today, we're going to show you how to find that secret switch, take control, and finally, unlock the real performance you paid for.
So, does this sound familiar? You're all set to play a new game, you're expecting everything to be buttery smooth, but instead you get this horrible, stuttering slideshow. Or maybe you're just, browsing the web and your battery just nosedives. It's a super common frustration, and it all boils down to your laptop making some really bad choices behind your back.
You look at the specs, right? And on paper, your laptop is an absolute beast. It should be crushing games at high frame rates, rendering videos in a flash, and sipping power when you're on the go. But the reality? It can be a real letdown. So what is going on here? What's causing this huge gap between the potential of your machine and what you're actually getting?
Well, the whole thing starts with a feature most people don't even know exists. Your laptop is basically juggling two completely different brains for graphics. Let's dive into this tale of two GPUs.
This tech is called hybrid graphics, and you can think of it like a clever little dance happening inside your machine. The whole point is to give you the best of both worlds, right? Raw power when you need it and amazing battery life when you don't.
So here are the two dancers. First up, you've got the Intel Integrated GPU, or iGPU. This is your marathon runner. It's incredibly power efficient, just perfect for all your daily stuff, like browsing, writing emails, watching videos. Then you have the NVIDIA Discrete GPU, or DGPU. This is your sprinter. It's an absolute powerhouse, built for one thing: raw performance for your games and heavy-duty creative work. Now, in a perfect world, your laptop would just switch between these two seamlessly, automatically. But that automation, that helpful little autopilot, that's exactly where things start to go completely wrong. And this quote right here, it just hits the nail on the head. The software tries to be smart. It tries to guess which GPU your app needs, but way too often it just guesses wrong. It completely misjudges what the app is doing and sends the job to the totally wrong processor. And this leads to those classic, super frustrating problems. Your brand new game is a stuttery mess because it's trying to run on the power-saving Intel chip. Your video editor is taking forever to render because it's not even touching that powerful NVIDIA hardware you paid for. Or maybe the worst one. You open a simple chat app, and for some reason, it kicks the NVIDIA GPU into high gear, and you can literally watch your battery percentage just drop in real time. Okay, enough complaining about the problem. It is time to fire that faulty autopilot. Let's get in the driver's seat and start telling your laptop exactly what it should be doing. And you know what the best part is? The tool you need is already on your machine. No need to download anything, no extra software to buy. The key to unlocking your laptop's true power has been sitting right there the whole time. It's the NVIDIA control panel. And look, it's just a simple three-step process. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop and open up that NVIDIA control panel. Second, you're going to go to Manage 3D Settings and then click on the Program Settings tab. And third, find your game or your app in the drop-down list and then manually tell it to use the high-performance NVIDIA processor. That's it. It's really that simple. So from now on, the rule is simple. You have to be intentional. For anything that needs serious horsepower, we're talking games, video editors, 3D software, you manually assign it the high-performance NVIDIA processor. For everything else, your web browser, Office apps, music players, lock it to the integrated graphics. That way, you'll get the absolute best battery life possible. And trust me, taking just a few minutes to set this up isn't some minor tweak. It fundamentally changes how your laptop behaves. It delivers the exact experience you were promised when you first bought it. And this right here shows you the difference. We are not talking about a couple of extra frames per second. Forcing your game to use the correct NVIDIA GPU can literally double your frame rate. It can turn a choppy, unplayable mess into a perfectly smooth experience. This is the payoff. Look, the goal was always to have intelligent GPU management. But now, instead of trusting some flawed automatic system, that intelligence, it comes from you. You are the one in control, making sure every single app is using the perfect tool for the job.
The power is officially in your hands. You're not a passenger anymore, just hoping for a smooth ride. You are the pilot, directing your hardware with absolute precision. So, what's the first thing you're going to go optimize?